Guys, this is Open SCT A Main. Open SCT A Main. It's a 10-minute race. All right, drivers. Is it good? Yeah. Hey guys, everybody just creep up just a couple inches. That one truck, they're right there on the loop. Okay, that's good, guys. Yeah. All right. Yep. Joe, if you want to tighten up just a little. Yeah. All right, guys. Marshals look good. Grid looks good, guys. We're going to go racing in less than 5 on the tone, guys. Less than 5 on the tone. Guys, coming up on 30 seconds down. Everybody's making their way back to the line. First time by Ed Weaver. Be out front, Aaron Weaver. Paul Elliott, number 3. Heads up, coming to the straightaway, guys. Followed by Nicholas Hilton, Joe Stephan, Bo McCain, Alan Arsenault, Zach Rudolph, David Samshore, John Otani, Tony Pavone, and Darren Brooks. All 12 trucks. Pretty spectacular.
9 minutes left.
All right, drivers. Just over a minute down. All right, drivers, at the conclusion of the next race, when this is race 12, when race 13, the e-buggy race is over, we'll have sponsor sheets up here. So at the end of race 13, you guys want to fill out the sponsor sheet before race 15 and 16 come up to timing and scoring. All right, guys, on to race 12. 1 minute, 45 seconds down, 8:15 to go. Your leader, like Aaron Weaver out front, followed by Ed Weaver, Bo McCain third, Paul Elliott fourth.
8 minutes left.
All right, guys, 2 minutes, 30 seconds down, 7:30 to go. And leader, Aaron Weaver at the loop now, followed by Ed Weaver, 1 and 2, 38-2 for Aaron, 35-7 for Ed. Bo McCain, your third place truck, into the front straightaway, 39-1 for Bo. Paul Elliott right behind him in fourth, 39-3 for Paul. Fifth place, Alan Arsenault, 41-1, followed by Joseph and Darren Brooks, Tony Pavone, Nick Hilton, Sam Shore, John Otani, and Zach Rudolph. Good 7 minutes to go, guys. 7 to go. Ed Weaver out front now. Ed and Aaron down the front straightaway. 36-5 for Ed, 38-7 for Aaron. Bo McCain in third place, truck 36-9. Paul Elliott 36-8. Top 4 trucks, 1 and 2 right there together, coming up on traffic already. Pink, white, blue truck, that's your leader, guys. Blue, yellow, green truck, that's second place, guys, coming to you. All right, top 2 trucks, Aaron and Ed Weaver, working their way through traffic on the left side of the track. Blue and gold truck, that's the leaders coming to you. 3:50 down, 6:10 to go. Ed Weaver working through traffic. That's your leader, number 2. Aaron Weaver. Oh, Bo, James Calhoun. Woo. All right. Oh, Bo and Paul switched it up. Both of them rolled it over once. So it's going to be Aaron and Ed Weaver out front on the left side of the track. Bo and Paul are got some traction rolling going on here. McCain in third, Elliott fourth, Tony Pavone in the fifth spot, followed by Alan Arsenault, Darren Brooks, Nicholas Hill, Joe Sessom, Sam Shore, Otani, and Zach Rudolph, guys. 4:45 down, 5:15 to go.
5 minutes left.
All right, leader at the line now, Ed Weaver. Aaron Weaver, number 2 truck, into the front straightaway. 36.1 for Ed, 37.8 for Aaron. Here comes Paul Elliott, that white truck, number 3 man. Turning in a 36.3 for Paul Elliott. Number 4 truck, Bo McCain, 39.3 in the 4th spot. So 1 and 2 still working through traffic. Aaron rolls it over. Ed's going to get by. So top 2 trucks, that blue, pink, white truck, that's your leader, guys. Coming to you, black truck. That's second place right there behind him. Black truck, that's your lead pack. All right, guys, coming to 6 down, 4 to go.
4 minutes left.
All right. Sam Shore, that white truck is 3rd place, putting a lap on the field. All right, Elliott's clear, so 3rd place is through Bo McCain now. That blue, green, white truck, that's 4th place. He's on the back straightaway now. All right, 3 minutes, 30 seconds remaining, 3:30 remaining. Ed Weaver, your leader, over the rumble pipes. Here comes Aaron. About 3 seconds back. 3rd place, Paul Elliott, 11.5 back. Bo McCain said the tire fell off. Heartbreaker. All right, so here we go, guys. Ed Weaver, your leader, he's at the line right now. 36.8 for Ed Weaver. Followed by Aaron Weaver, 36.4. Number 3 truck's going to be Paul Elliott. So black truck, that is 3rd. Putting a lap on the field. Paul Elliott coming to you. All right, so McCain is out. Paul Elliott, he's on the backstretch. It's all white truck. He's the number 3 man coming up on Joe Sessom. So it's Weaver, Elliott, Tony Pavone now 4th, Alan Arsenault 5th, Joe Sessom 6th. Now that was Marshman right there. Just caught him, put him back down, and off we go.
Hey, what are you doing, Paul? Wait a minute.
2 minutes left.
All right, guys, with 2 minutes to go. Ed Weaver, still your leader. At the line now. Aaron Weaver, that blue, green, yellow truck, working its way through some traffic. So, black and green truck on the straightaway. That's 2nd place coming through. Got one dead in the bowl turn, guys. Just put him on the grass. Grab your marksman spot. Yep, appreciate it, Mark. All right. Ooh. 1 minute, 30 seconds remain. Ed Weaver, your leader, top left side of the track. Sam Shore, that's the leader coming to you in that blue, white, pink truck. 2nd place, Aaron Weaver. Just a little bit back, rolling it over the pipe. Paul Elliott, 3rd place on the back straightaway now. Just over a minute to go, guys. 1 minute left. All right. Ed Weaver, still your leader. Double onto the back straightaway. Aaron Weaver through the front straightaway. 9 seconds separates first and second. 9 seconds at the line separated second, third. 30 seconds remaining, guys. 30 seconds remaining. Alright guys, 15 seconds to go. I don't think anybody's going to get another lap. It's going to happen this time by. Less than 5. That's time, drivers. If you cross the line, you are done. Please don't take another lap.
Car 12 is done. Car 1 is done.
Alright, Ed Weaver's going to take it. Like Aaron Weaver, number 2.
Car 10 is done. Car 2 is done.
So it's Ed Weaver, Aaron Weaver, full